Hey everyone. So today I'm going to show you something absolutely mind-blowing. I built 3 different websites in just one night using 3 popular tools: Mobirise, Canva, and Webflow. Whether you're a beginner, a designer, or a developer, one of these tools will be perfect for you. Let's dive in. Tool number 1, Mobirise, best for beginners. So first up, I opened Mobirise. Now if you're new to website building and don't want to touch any code, this one is for you. As soon as I got in, there were a bunch of templates to choose from. Literally everything from online shops to portfolios to service websites. Here's what I did. I went to the search bar and typed online cosmetic shop. Then I hit generate, and boom, it asked me to log in. So I quickly created an account. Took just a few seconds. And when I came back, OMG, the website was already built. It looked amazing. The homepage had modern design, images, sections, and call to action buttons all ready for me. Mobirise even gives you 3 different layout options to choose from. I personally love the first one. Clean, modern, and totally e-commerce ready. All I had to do was swap the images, edit the product names, and publish. Seriously, if you're a beginner, Mobirise is a total game changer. No coding, no stress. Tool number 2, Canva, for quick visual design, plus AI code. Next up, Canva. Now I know what you're thinking. Canva is for posters and social media graphics, right? Well, not anymore. Canva has AI-powered tools now. Let me show you how I built a website using Canva AI. So there are 2 ways you can do it. You can type a simple command like build a game website, and Canva's AI will generate the code for you. Or you can go detailed and say something like, design an interactive shopping list builder for barbecue chicken that dynamically adjusts ingredient quantities based on selected portion size. And in just a few seconds, guess what? Canva generates an entire interactive website design for you. You can copy the code, preview the layout, and even import it into a site builder or hosting platform later. It's not just pretty design anymore. Canva is moving toward real interactive websites with AI help. I was genuinely surprised. The output was not only functional, but also super polished. If you're a designer or content creator, Canva makes it crazy fast to bring your ideas to life visually and now, even functionally. Tool number 3, Webflow, best for full control and customization. And finally, we have Webflow. This one is for those who want total control over their design and front-end behavior. So I went to webflow.com, clicked Start Designing, and signed in. From here, Webflow gives you 3 options. AI Build, where AI builds the site for you. Pre-existing templates. Professionally made designs. Some free, some paid. Blank canvas. Build everything from scratch. I went with the blank canvas because I wanted to try the drag and drop feature myself. So I dragged in a container. Inside that, I added a header, then some headlines, and typed, "This is my first website. This is cool." And just like that, my first Webflow website was live. It felt like using Photoshop, but for the web. You get to control layout, padding, margins, responsiveness, everything. And yes, you can publish it that same night. Webflow is super powerful. If you want pro-level websites but don't want to code from scratch, this is the tool to learn. Final thoughts. Which one should you use? Let's quickly recap. Mobirise, best for beginners. No code needed, templates are ready to go. Great for small businesses, personal projects, or anyone who wants a site in 10 minutes. Canva, great for visual thinkers. You can use AI to generate code or website ideas. Perfect for those who want quick mockups or light, interactive content. Webflow, ideal for developers, designers, or advanced users. Gives you full front-end control. You can build any layout, animation, or interaction you imagine, so depending on your needs, you can literally build a site tonight. And who knows? Your next big idea could be live before you sleep. Let me know in the comments, which tool would you try first? If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more AI and design tips every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.